Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today is a Sunday, so happy Sunday. We're going to be going into CVS for this new week starting July the 9th to July the 15th. We have a lot of decent deals going on, and basically for me, it's going to be all digital deals except for one printable coupon. I looked at the coupons at the coupons website to print out any coupons. I saw a few coupons. CoverGirl Cosmetics, it's a $2 digital coupon as well as a $2 digital coupon. I think I'm going to be skipping at that deal because it's going to be a cheapie but not a freebie or a moneymaker. So I want it to be a moneymaker for that product. But yeah, I'm going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box. If you guys do enjoy this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really does help out the channel, and I am so grateful that you guys are here. So welcome to everybody, especially the newbies. Let's go in store.
Alright guys, deal number 1 is on the Tresemme hairsprays. These are priced at $6.29 and they're on promotion. Buy 3, get back a $5 extra back. So you want to go ahead and pick up 3 for a total of $18.87. I do have a $3 off of 15 Tresemme CRT as well as this $5 digital coupon. You would pay $10.87 at the register, get back a $5 extra buck, makes your final cost of $5.87 for all 3 products, or $1.96 each one, guys. If you guys do need this product, go ahead and pick it up. I'll be skipping out on this product because I need other essential items this week. Our next deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive. They're on promotion 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. And there's also a $3 printable coupon from the coupons.com website, as well as this $3 digital coupon. So there's a lot to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Dream Links. So it's going to be $9 minus $6 in coupons. I would pay $3 at the register, get back a $2 extra buck, makes my final cost just $1 for both of these products, guys, or 50 cents each, which is amazing. Our next deal is on the Aussie. They're on promotion. Buy 1, get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. As you can see, this is priced at $5.19, but the shampoos and the conditioners, they're all priced at $4.99. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of those products. So one is going to be priced at $4.99 and the other one at $2.99. There is a $2 digital coupon. I would pay $5.98 at the register, get back a $4 extra buck, and makes the final cost just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each one, guys, which is such a great deal. Next deal is on the Gillette and Venus razors. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. As you can see, it's out of stock. I'm going to let you guys know which one it is. I'm just going to put a picture of it. So they're priced at $10.29. So we're going to go ahead to the men's section and grab the other razor. All right, so this is also part of the promotion. This will be 50% off for $5.15. Both of those products are going to total you $15.44. We have a $3 digital for the Venus, a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette razors. You would pay $9.44 at the register, get back that $5 extra buck, and makes your final cost for these 2 razors just $4.44, or $2.22 each one, guys, which is amazing because these are priced at $10 at Walmart. So here you can get them only for $2.22, which is incredible. All right, so this is a big no-no. These are priced at $4.19. So these are a lot cheaper online. So I would definitely do this deal online because they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So we also have a $3 digital coupon. So online, they are priced at $2.89. You would get the other one 50% off for $1.44. Your total would be $4.33. You're going to use that $1 digital coupon, pay $3.33, get back that $3 coupon, makes your final cost just 33 cents for both of these items, guys, which is amazing. The next deal is on Oral Care. I would pick it up if you guys do need it, but there's a lot to choose from. So you want to go ahead and pick up the ones that are $4.69. They're on promotion this week. Buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 for a total of $9.38. Use that $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Pay $6.38, get back that $4 extra buck, makes your final cost just $2.38 for both, or $1.19 each, guys. Like I said, if you guys do need toothpaste, pick it up this week. If you guys don't, I would skip out on this deal, but still, it's, you know, it's personal care items for a very cheap price, so if you need it, pick it up. All right, another great deal is on the spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. I'm going to go ahead and pick up these Downy scent beads. They're priced at $6.99, and we do have a $2 digital coupon attaching to this product. I'm also going to go ahead and pick up the Tide Pods. They're priced at $12.99. So two of these products, it's going to total me $19.98. We're going to use that $2 digital Downy coupon, that $3 digital Tide coupon. You would pay $14.98 at the register. Get back that $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost just $9.98, guys, which is a 50% savings on laundry care items, guys, which is amazing. All right, if you guys need any breakfast snacks, these are priced at $1.99. I have two digital coupons on my CVS account for 50 cents off for each one. So we're going to go over the breakdown. So you're going to go ahead and pick up two of these items for $3.98. You're going to use those two digital coupons, which will glitch. It's going to take off $1. You would pay $2.98 at the register, which is your final cost, just $1.49 for each box of Nature Valley, guys, which is amazing. These are perfect for on the go and for snacks.
Alright guys, I am back in from CVS, and I did show you guys some deals that you guys could definitely pick up, some easy digital deals, as well as the deals that I went ahead and I picked up. So I did the spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. I did that deal, and I also did the Aussie, the L'Oreal Elvive, and the Nature Valley biscuits. Alright, so these Nature Valley, let me see if I can show you guys. These were $1.99, which turned out bad. We did have we had two 50-cent digital coupons attaching. So let me just show you guys the receipt on that one. Keep in mind, I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up. I printed out a printable coupon and it did not glitch for me. I hate it. Every time I use a printable coupon at self-checkout, it just beeps. For me, it beeps and it doesn't scan. But if I use like a regular insert coupon, it goes good, perfectly fine. I just go boop, and it just scans perfectly. But for me, printable coupons, I've been having so many issues. I have mentioned it so many times here that they won't scan for me at the self-checkout. They just like beep. So yeah, so let me just show you guys the first receipt. As you can see, I have the Elvive, the Aussie, they were $4.99, and the Nature Valley. So those are the 50-cent coupons, the $2 digital for the Aussie, the $3 digital for the L'Oreal. I rolled in those $5.44 an extra buck, and I paid $10 even. Then I got back $6 an extra buck that I rolled into my next transaction. Alright, so my next transaction, which were on the pods, I always like doing laundry care deals at CVS because you guys could save 50% just by couponing these items at CVS. So as you can see, those are, I don't think you can see the whole thing, my bad. Alright, so that's the Tide. And then these are the coupons, the $2 Downy, the $3 Tide, and I rolled in those $6 in extra bucks from my previous transaction, and I got back my $5 extra buck. Alright, so I paid $9.55 out of pocket for this huge Tide, and this Downy beads. For me, it's amazing. So yeah. So my whole cash cost today was $19.55 that came out of my bank account for these products. I'm like happy. I mean, I have done better deals at CVS, but I'm happy because I was able to rearrange my transactions to keep my out-of-pocket costs super, super low, guys, which for me is super important. And I only had $5.44 in extra bucks to play with today. So like I said, I split them up. I did the Aussie, all that first together, rolled in the extra bucks, then I rolled those back in. If I would have just done it all in one transaction, and rolled in those $5 extra bucks, I would have paid $30 out of pocket right there and got those extra bucks back. But for me, that doesn't really make sense, spending all that money and getting back the extra bucks for next week. Does that make sense? So I actually wanted to make sure that I was spending less out of my own money, to make sure I was saving, you know what I mean? So yeah, so if not, that would have been like $35 right there out of pocket, but I'm getting back the extra bucks. But then I have to go grocery shopping today, so that was gonna kill my budget. But yeah, so you could say literally that I paid for this because this was a spend 20 deal. You could say I paid for this and I got the rest of the items free, if you guys want to call it like that, which is amazing. I think it's a pretty decent deal at CVS. CVS, it's pretty slow this week. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. I post my CVS must-do deals on Saturday morning, and I also do my CVS hauls on Sunday, and I love doing my Walmart Ibotta couponing hauls on Wednesday. So stay tuned for that, because Ibotta and Walmart are just such a great match. So yeah, hit that notification bell for all that. I'm going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box. And again, I thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.